Do your customers get frustrated after their discount code doesn't work without explaining a reason? In this case, you might miss the purchase or lose your potential clients. The coupon code error message extension for Magento 1 fixes that. It allows you to explain to customers why each coupon is not working. Show a detailed error message at checkout explaining exactly why that coupon code cannot be applied to that shopping cart. The code might have been used too many times or expired. Maybe it doesn't apply to the current cart and requires a specific product. Use a simple shortcode to display the coupon used by the customer. Keep track of coupons that have expired or how many times the customer tried to apply those coupons. Personalize the error message experience to make it more personal. If the customer understands why the code doesn't work, he's less likely to get frustrated. A happy customer buys more and requires less support time. Improve your sales now with the coupon code error message extension for Magento 1.